this robot is about to pick up this soft, squishy creature without harming it. It can also pick up potato crisps, pasta, even tofu without squishing them. The secret? Well, the fingertips are covered with a smart fabric made of magnetic fibres that can stiffen on demand. This smart fabric could also be used to make clothes that ventilate themselves, and could even be used to transmit tactile sensations, allowing you to feel what someone else is feeling from around the world. Researchers have been trying to make smart fabrics that can change their shape and stiffen on demand for a while. One way is to integrate magnets into the fibres, but this has proven tricky, as the fibres will often just stick to each other when you try to weave them into cloth, and can be too hard to be as flexible as regular clothes. So these scientists went back to the drawing board and came up with a way to melt soft magnets into thin fibres, which they could then weave together into larger yarn for making clothes and other devices. These fibres don't magnetise one another, and so don't stick together, but they are still reactive to a magnetic field. When it was applied, the fibres stiffened and became strong enough to hold up even small weights, while still being gentle enough to grip objects without crushing them. As well as giving robots a softer touch, the researchers also think these fibres could be used to make morphing fabrics and clothes. Controllable morphing material could even be used to transmit tactile sensations to a wearer. That's what they're trialling with this finger glove here. This could create gloves that help designers sense how a fabric feels from across the world, or wearables for video games that give you touch-based feedback from your character. This system would also be relatively easy to weave into current industrial production of cloth, as the team were able to produce fibres in a very similar way. This is all some way off though. For now, the team are looking to strengthen the fibres and simplify how the magnetic fields are applied. But one day, the technology that powers these gentle robotic fingers could be worming its way onto the catwalk.